beautiful jewels? Welcome to my channel, Jade Thajewel. I'm Jade, Jade. Yes, honey, that's me. If you've been to my channel, you've been rocking with me. What's popping? What's good? What's breaking? Are any of these hoes trying you? Nope, because they know not to. If you are new to my channel, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Jade, the motherfucking Jewel. Make me nigga Jewel. That's right, that's me. Hello, how are you? Okay. In today's video, we will be doing this really cute butterfly look that I did for Halloween. I also had the same look in my last video. I thought it was a really cute look, so I thought, why not do a tutorial to this? So let's go ahead and hop straight into this video. Okay, so to start off, as you saw, you want to go ahead and get some primer. Make sure you always prime that eye, and then you want to grab a white eyeliner or some type of white makeup pencil and go ahead and start to trace out the butterfly. You guys, I have started putting captions in my videos so you can follow along easier, because I know that some people complain that I talk too fast. So I am putting captions in my videos from now on, and also in order to cater to the ASL community so that everyone can have a chance to follow along. So like I said, you want to go ahead and prime your eye, and then you want to grab a white eyeliner or some type of white makeup pencil and trace out the butterfly on the side of your eye, and boom, bada bing, girl, you got this. Okay. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and grab your rhinestones and your lash glue, and that's all you're going to need in order to get these rhinestones on the butterfly, right? So what I did, I took my eyelash glue and I just used that and traced along the line. Put that eyelash glue along the white line that we already made, and then you're just going to grab your rhinestones and start placing the rhinestones on the white line. Okay, so again, I took my eyelash glue, as you guys see here, and I put that on top of the white line in order to create like a sticky patch for the rhinestones to stick. Of course, the rhinestones had the little sticky stickers at the bottom, but still you kind of want the extra security. So you want to go ahead and take your lash glue and put that on the white liner, and then you're going to take your rhinestones and go ahead and start to place those on top of the white line. Okay. Right, girl, so now that you got your rhinestones on, you want to go ahead and you want to take your concealer and fill in the butterfly. You just want to take like a flat brush, some concealer, and start filling that butterfly in. Now that you have your concealer filled in your butterfly, you want to go ahead and take a palette of your choice, choose a color of your choice, and pack in that color. Okay, my choice was the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I chose that color purple that I showed you guys, and I'm just going to take that color and really pack it in. You want to pack it in as much as you can and really get a vibrant shade and make that butterfly pop. Alright, so now that I went ahead and packed my favorite color in, this is an optional step, but you can take some shimmer and pack that on top. And that's pretty much that for this look. For my shimmer, I chose the Aurora Lights by BH Cosmetics, and I used the shades Polar and Ombre and just packed that all over my eye and really gave my eyes some pop, some shimmer, and it just made that butterfly fly, honey, okay? So that's pretty much all it is to this look. Of course, like I said, this is an optional step. That's an optional step, adding the shimmer, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big motherfucking thumbs up for a bitch. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you beautiful jewels in the next video. Peace.